Hey there, just a quick vid to show you how to make a homemade warm mist humidifier. Right now I just got running on 2 solar panels outside and it's just pouring out the warm mist. So all I'm going to do to put this together is take 4 or 5 of these and slip them equally around the bottom under the rubber band to get the spacing. Then I'm going to replace the rubber band with these, or we'll put these on first, slip off the rubber band, then you'll have the heaters with the wires facing up. We'll pull those around and connect them. Then we just drop this in here and basically add the dirt and then hook up your power source. We won't be using this one. This is more for air. You put a fan behind it and blow it through the fins. You can see the ceramic pieces right in between, by the way. That's what the ceramic looks like. That is actually right inside of these, just a different design. It's more of a tablet design. Now we'll just drop the zip ties on, slip the rubber band off. Of course, before you do that, remember to tape off the hole. Then for the insulation, just grab some sand, some dirt, or some gravel. Then just twist the wires together. Fully built off-grid warm mist humidifier. Took like 10 minutes to build. Alright, we're all set. Here's the solar panel hookup. Wires going out the door. Sunny with 2 solar panels right now. Took out some of the gravel, added some glass beads, kind of some amber glass beads that I had. You want to make it look a little more natural? Add some plastic plant material around the outside like that. Stuff I put in there is actually real, but I just wanted to give you the idea of what it could look like. It's pretty cool. And from a distance, with a little imagination, kind of just looks like a plant in a planter. Then you get that thing steaming, that might look pretty cool. Just wanted to give you a quick shot of how these PTC heating elements come in the mail. I get them in 2-packs, so this time I got an order of 6, or 3 2-packs. Bottom of the element, middle of the element, top of the element. Every one follows that same pattern, about 200 there, maybe 330 there, and around 400 at the top. 421 max, 216 Celsius. So every one of them works great. Perfect. If you want more steam, like a rolling boil, you got to add 1 or 2 more of those. 6 will definitely do it, 5 will probably do it. One cool thing about those elements is they can run totally dry. They don't need to be air or water cooled. So even if the water level drops all the way down to nothing, you can just let it go and you forget, it doesn't matter. You can just run it, it's not going to hurt the steel can or the flower pot. The only thing that'll happen is this will get a little bit warmer and so will the pot. But as long as you have it up on something like a couple of bricks or say a cast iron cooking trivet or something safe like that, it won't matter if it gets a little hotter and just runs. It'll be fine. Again, if you want, you can just use 2 cans and skip the flower pot. I just think it looks a little nicer, but just put them around a can like this, drop it in and add the dirt. Works all the same.